The nation wants to know, why are we allowing external narratives to divide us? Why we are allowing that the people like Rahul Gandhi are always allowing external narratives to divide us? Is it time for India to stand united or not? Unshaken and resilient, ignoring the noise from the West. We must focus on strategic autonomy and build our own economic strength and refuse to bow down to any foreign pressure. We will not be divided, we will be conquering. We will be conquering the world. We should stand resilient, be bold and confident, face external challenges head on without fear, and refuse to let the country be divided. India must prioritize its own national interests, staying non aligned and firm, just as the MEA has shown with a restrained yet powerful response to global pressure. Unite and build. Unite and build as a rising power. Focus on internal strength, and we must believe in Vasudeva Kutumb and the word as is our own family, rather than following the divide and rule strategies of others, as others are trying to do. Ignore the noises which are coming from beyond. Do not engage in emotional tit for tat arguments. Trust in long term diplomatic maturity and the nation's capacity to handle global challenges. Okay, we have to always take the challenges of the global people, and we should not bow our hands towards them. It is a time to move forward as one with our chin up and show the world that a united India is unstoppable. So we can show the world that we are unstoppable by having the unity among 1.4 billion people